Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy gold right here in Mitrade. And if you want to do this, the first thing that we are going to do is go right here to search symbols and search for XAU. Then you will find right here gold to US dollars, gold to euro, and gold to, let's see, oh, it's micro gold, it's not important. But we select right here the gold to US dollars. This is the chart and the symbol that we want to trade on. Then right here, what we are going to do is select right here buy and then fill in right here for how many lots you want to buy. Now what you can do right here is you can also throw this where you want to have it, because with this you can buy a percentage. So let's say we want to buy 10% of our balance. We want to put that in gold. Then we throw it on 10% right there. Then we can also add a take profit or a stop loss if you want to do that. But for this video, it's not necessary. But if you want to do on risk management, make sure that you do that. And then right now we click here on buy. And then if we throw this a little bit up, you see right here that we are having now a gold position. If you want to close this, we click here on close right here and then do confirm. But I am here to show you how to buy gold, so I will keep my position right here. This is how you can buy gold in a nutshell on Mitrade. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.